Solving problems doesn't come to us naturally, and most of us haven't learned how to do it. This is why we need a method. In Cracked It, we present a 4-step method. First, state the problem. It's not only about fixing a trouble, it's about really understanding and identifying what the real problem is. Second, structure the problem. Break it down into manageable pieces that you can deal with one by one. Third, solve the problem. Perform the relevant analysis that will lead you to the solution. And fourth, sell the solution. You have to convince the decision makers to act upon the solution that you propose. For each of these steps, we will provide you with detailed tools that will help you develop and sell the best possible solutions. This is the 4S method.